Hey y'all, hey YouTube, how y'all doing? What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the switch on a, this is a floor lamp with a secondary lamp on the side. The floor lamp is a big, tall 6-foot sconce that shoots out the top, and then the side one is this one I use a lot at my desk. And as you can see, the switch is stuck. If I play with it, I can get it to turn, but it's been increasingly harder and harder to get, so I'm done with it. And I'm going to show you how to fix it. So here we go. This got the replacement switch right here. This is called the bottom mounted switch receptacle, or yeah, bottom mount switch lamp socket. Got this on I don't know, I forget where I got it. Anyway, it's a Leviton. They have them on Amazon. They have them on eBay. There's a quick view of the barcode. I can't tell if that's clear or not. Anyway, so let's get started. First we're going to take this thing apart. Just need a little plier. Now I haven't looked at this to see how it's going to be, so I don't know. We're just going to get this loose. I don't know if it's going to be easy, it's going to be hard, but we're going to do it no matter what. Right? So let's push this through. Flip this over. See if we have enough room to get it out. To undo the screws. Oh, it looks like barely enough room. Barely. Hey. Even worse, these aren't screwed on. Okay, so plan B, I'm going to cut them off. Somehow we're going to have to pull some wire through. If we can't get them to screw on, well, we'll get it, no problem. Somehow, some way, we're going to get this done. Okay, now we got the screw off. See that? Look, they have screws to hold the mount on, but not for the wires. Wonder if this could have been saved. Too late now. I already cut it off. Anyway, I might take this apart for another time, see what makes it tick. This might come right out and be able to fix. Then we can use it for another lamp. Okay, so now we got our switch. We gotta get a little bit more wire out of this somehow. I don't know if it's gonna work. Put that pull on it. It's not working. Oh yeah, there it goes. Just got some. Awesome. Anyway, that should be enough. I got some. So now we just gotta strip our wires. Guess this is about a 16 wire. Put it up there on the 16 gauge. Can you all see that? It's hard to do it in this little tight space, but we'll do it. Alright. Now we're going to strip the black wire. Yeah. Must have put it on the wrong one. Well, at least the wires ain't brittle. This is an old lamp. You see it has some yellowing, but that's not from burning, that's from smoking. You know how it goes, to smoking. See now, this was the opposite, right? Has screws for the terminals, but rivets to hold the top on. Interesting, see? Opposites. Opposites. Interesting. Alright, so what's going to be our plan of attack? Alright, the black wire always goes on the gold screw. White wire on the silver screw. So black wire on the gold screw. So we got to get that on there somehow. It's not going to be easy. Alright, let's twist up the white one and get that ready too. And then we'll loop that. So you want to loop it the way the screw is going to turn when you tighten it. So I'm going to be going to the right. So I want my wire loop to go right. I get it just right. Pain in the ass because of the tight space, but we got it, see? Now we just gotta get our screwdriver in there. Just using a plain old flathead. Disaster. Came off. What a pain in the butt. There we go. There we go. Keep a little pressure on it. Start screwing it in. Try not to move. Keep it going. If we can get it in there, we're going to be halfway there. Alright. See, by having looped that way, the screw actually pulls it on instead of forcing it off. See, so we got a good connection there. Now we just got to do the white one. Same thing. Just make it a little tighter. A pain in the butt. These little screws off. I mean these little. You know, just having to work in this little space, it's a pain in the butt. So this is how it really goes if you have to replace it. It's not easy, but it's possible. So let's get our thing, push it in, push that on. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Almost there, people. Let's screw this on. Not the best choice of screwdrivers, huh? Jesus. What next? Here we go. Let's try this. I don't like it. I don't like it. Back it up. Do it over. I don't like it. It's a big connection. Gotta have a good connection. So twist your wire up better. There we go. I think this is gonna work better. We get it around there. Come on. Get it around there. Yeah, it looks better. Much better now. Much better. See if we can get it screwed in. Alright, we're looking good now. Just tuck them wires in. Pull them over like that. This side's good. Alright, now we're ready. Ready to install it back in. Let's loosen up our nuts. So what we got here is we're going to have a base nut and a cap nut. We're going to leave the base nut on. That's how you adjust how high out of the top it's going to go. So we're just going to leave it like it is. Somehow maybe we can push some wire back in the hole here. Nope. We should be good though. There's plenty of room up there. Now what I'm doing is twisting it to get it into the hole without messing up my wire job. So we're going to get it, twist it. I want to get it into the hole without pinching the wire. And there we go. I believe we got it right there. You'll feel it when it gets flat. Alright, so unforeseen circumstance. This has notches on the side. My new switch doesn't have notches, so I gotta stretch this out. I got a reamer here. Hopefully it's gonna be enough. If not, I gotta get a different reamer. Looks like it might have worked. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it might work. Alright, let's see if we can stick our switch up in there. You know what? Before I do that, I want to put a piece of tape over this. So, yeah, I'm going to put a piece of tape around that. So we'll just do like this. Do like this. Just to hide the wires. I always like to do this. Make sure switch still works fine. Alright, now we're going to twist it into there. So we'll start by seeing how the wire wants to lay. Then we'll twist it, stick it straight in. Into the hole. Let's see, does it fit? Does it fit? Ah, yes, it fits. I'm going to tighten her up now with the pliers. I'm going to hold it on the inside while we tighten it, so we don't twist the wires all around any more than they already are. Make it nice and tight so it don't come loose on you. Yeah. So far it's looking good. Let's flip it over and see what it looks like in here. I don't know if I like where the wire's sitting, so I'm going to fiddle around with it. Alright, I have to get some LEDs for this, but for now I'm going to You got a regular light bulb. Let's plug her in. Wooden plug. Here it is. I don't know if it's on or off, but we'll find out now. Hey, it was on. Alright, let's see if the switch works. Alright. Not bad, not bad. See, you can fix it yourself too. You just gotta do whatever it takes to get it done. Okay? See, we had a little trouble. The wires were too short. Hole wasn't round. But we got it done, right? Now I can get my light back by my computer desk where I like it so I can pay my bills. Yeah, I missed this light. So that's about it. Now you guys, now you know how to fix a light switch.